freezing, or closing unexpectedly. Symptoms: Roblox crashes while playing. The game freezes and suddenly closes. Black screen before or during gameplay. Game crashes when joining an experience. Random disconnections and unexpected shutdowns. Fix 1. Restart your device. Steps: close Roblox completely. Restart your PC, mobile device, or console. Open Roblox again and check if the issue is fixed. Fix 2. Check your internet connection. Steps: restart your Wi-Fi router. Use a stable internet connection. Pause large downloads or streaming. Use an Ethernet cable if you're playing on a PC. Fix 3. Update Roblox. Steps: close Roblox completely. Reopen the Roblox app or launcher. Install any available updates. Launch the game again. Fix 4. Update your graphics driver. P steps: press Windows X and open Device Manager. Expand display adapters. Right-click your graphics card. Select Update Driver. Restart your computer. Fix 5. Close background applications. Steps: close web browsers with multiple tabs. Exit unnecessary applications. Close screen recording software if not needed. Free up RAM before launching Roblox. Fix 6. Lower Roblox graphics settings. Steps: open Roblox. Go to Settings. Change graphics mode to Manual. Lower the graphics quality. Restart the game. Fix 7. Clear Roblox cache. PC steps: close Roblox. Press Windows R, type set local app data %, and press Enter. Open the Roblox folder. Delete temporary cache files. Launch Roblox again. Fix 8. Reinstall Roblox. Steps: uninstall Roblox from your device. Restart your device. Download the latest version of Roblox. Install it again. Open the game and test it. Fix 9. Check Roblox server status. Steps: check if Roblox servers are experiencing issues. Wait for maintenance or outages to end. Try playing again once the servers are back online. Fix 10. Update your operating system. Steps: install the latest Windows, Android, or iOS updates. Restart your device after updating. Launch Roblox again. Fix 11. Disable VPN or proxy steps. Turn off any VPN or proxy service. Restart Roblox. Try joining a game again. Fix 12. Run Roblox as administrator. PC. Steps: right-click the Roblox shortcut. Select Run as administrator. Check if the crashing issue is resolved.